He said, but one thing where he want make I do. Now I say, Mama, wetin be that? He say as dem reach, he say e know say e easy for man to go peace. E easy for man to use anywhere. He say but e no easy for woman. Now I say, Mama, I sit down. I only follow dem join the call campaign o. No be my election. That was 2016. He say e don tey wey dem go come, dem go talk, dem no go do am. I say wetin you wan make we do for you as we don enter market. He say whether we go fit build dem convenience when oyibo dey our pidgin dey call am toilet and bathing room. Now I say na that one I want. He say yes. Only that one. He say yes. Now I say okay, no problem. I write am down. Election finish. We win election. 2018 e come be my own election. As we reach the market, as we go down for the back where we go hold the meeting, when Iyeki wan talk, now I tell Iyeki wetin you wan tell us. No be toilet you say you want. Now he look me. Now I say 2016 I follow dem come here come campaign. You tell me say for this market you want make we build toilet. I say now na my turn. I say because woman talk to woman under. Egusi papa no wear eziyan. He say lion no dey born snake. Na lion dey born. I say wetin you tell me say make I do for una go do pass that one. He say now I say yes. When the time reach, now I come. I tell Iyeki say I don ready. He say I don ready. Now I say yes. But first of all, before I go do anything for this una market, the dirty wey dey this market, see am as the hair reach, e be like this upstairs. Now I say first of all, we go evacuate all the dirty wey dey this market so that make people know say this market e big well well. Now I say okay. Now I tell am say as I dey comot this dirty, I go fence this market round. But when people look the market, they say this big market, I say I go fence am round. I say because we know where people go leave things for inside market, e go dey lost. Every time thief go come inside market. I say but when you fence the market and we put security, e go make the job of the security easy for them. Now the mama say yes. Now I say yes. When the day reach, I call mama. I say mama come make we come lay foundation. Now the Iyeki, me and Iyeki now lay the foundation of this market. Now we call them for community, all of us, we come lay the foundation. Now we start. Iyeki say I wan do fence. I say I go do fence. That time the fence supposed to come front. I said no, I go draw and go back because I want car park for front. He say yes. Now I say yes. Now we do this fence. Now we come build first class toilet inside. Now we put 2 entrance of gate. You go enter from this side, you go come out from this side. Now we put gate man house there, gate man house there. We come fence around. As we fence around finish, she come ask me say when we go open. I say no. I say I need where people go dey park motor, where the motor no go dey dirty. Now we come do this car park, come join am. Abi no be so? This project where we dey talk so e no take me 6 months. Abi no be so? Now we do am. Before if you dey enter this Uwelu road, no road. Now we carry grader, we begin dey clean everywhere. All the dirty way dey everywhere, they evacuate all of them. Now we come open the road. Really, when you stand for Wasota Junction, you go dey see Uwelu market. But now the place don dirty again. But we go do am again. Mama, as I dey drive pass here last week, I pass that road. As I pass that road, we dey go Ohen Palace. When we reach, I can't tell them. I say, I say all this una zinc don just old finish. I know say some go almost want senior me sef. I say it's time for us to renovate this market. we are going to renovate it. Because there's nothing bad if this market get red roof. Abi no be so? If na brown roof we wan put as we dey put am for all my projects for Egor local government na brown roof. The toilet now say na brown roof. Anywhere you see government brown roof for Egor na Eghe Ogbemudia project. So as make I come tell una for Uwelu, road wey person don first pass before, e no dey hard am to pass. Because I don go there before. I know wetin to do. And I wan tell una now say governor, our governor send me make I tell una for Uwelu say he no forget Uwelu. He no forget Uwelu. All these small small roads wey dem never do so, na no say like say council dey, we for don dey do am. Because oyibo dey call am health road. Na council responsibility to grade road for this area. We do am before and we go do am again. From this dry season, once this dry season pass, we go clear Uwelu spare pass road again. We go clear everywhere, we go do road. Even we no fit tie am, we go do am make e dey motorable. So that anytime when we dey come Uwelu spare pass, people wan come buy spare pass, they go see road take come buy spare pass. No be say you wan come buy spare pass, as you dey comot your stabilizer linkage don pull because road no good. No be so. That time dem no wan come here, dem wan go another area. I no wan make e be say my people for Uwelu spare pass, their business no dey move because road no good. I will come back and I will fix the road again. We will open it up. We will clean it up the way we did it before. We have done it before and we can do it again. As make I come tell una for Uwelu, I no forget and I no go forget una. Everything wey suppose to come this Uwelu, e go come. Na make God do am, bring una counselor. Like though where Aden Rafi ohun. I think they drag me I go dey drag the governor. Abi no be so? So I go dey remind them say see wetin we promise o, see wetin we promise o, see wetin we promise. But one thing when I wan beg una today, Uwelu, na see the way I take call una. If una get government project wey dey for where una dey, make una dey maintain am. Maintenance dey very very important. If government give una something, make una dey repair am. Anywhere where I dey go, I dey tell them say if government give una any project, make una dey maintain the project. Una no dey wait make e spoil finish before una go talk. Why? Because ọwọ́ no pọ́n say ọ̀wé na win ọ̀wé. Na person wey you do something for, he say thank you, now you go do another one. Anybody wey you carry project give in community, you reach there you no recognize the project, you go give am the zeal to wan do another one. So I wan beg all of una, all the project wey una know say e dey for una community, make una dey maintain am so that e go give government the power and the zeal make the country do another one for una. Now make I come beg una today o, make I come tell una say on the 2nd of September, my mama, my papa dem, make una come out. Make una come out, make una vote for us. On that day, so I dey beg una, na umbrella na una go vote for. Una not look wetin happen for the first election o. This one na council election. Na our election be this, abi no be so? If you go vote for another person, na go fit go meet them for Abuja, na go fit waka go their office. Iyeki dey come my office, nobody dey ask am because I dey operate open door policy. Spare parts dey come my office, nobody dey hold them for road. No be because say I dey close to una. Na person wey dem know na dem go vote for. Person wey una know na una go vote for. Una no go vote for person wey una no know. Abi no be so we talk am? And who be that person wey una wan vote for? And which wetin be the symbol wey Eghe Ogbemudia dey contest? Na don talk am, na do well for my body.
Eghe Ogbemudia na him wan follow am work for council. Na wetin go arrange, na wetin God talk, na him wan happen. Uwelu As we dey go just now, they don dey tie the road because of this rain. And they stop. After the rain, Uwelu will be like Lagos by the grace of God. Some days ago, when we go see the owner of Uwelu, when he dey here with our papa, una Noah, the owner of Uwelu, when we dey pass the road, una pikin, I get say, hey, this one I'm waiting in with governor. When they go come, he go track governor. Immediately he reach office, governor go come pass. Who una wan vote for? Who una wan vote for?
God the blessing of God. And me, I'm your president, the candidate from Ward 5, representing Ward 5. Mama don't talk area that thing, but for me, I just tell you, I just add the music to within my talk. The thing is this, councillor, what's the function of councillor? Councillor, now servant of the people. I want to tell you now, one thing about Uwelu, I don't spend more than 20 years for Uwelu, I don't pay for Uwelu. One of our major problems is road. I don't go sweat pass. Like this place, market, where our mama where we buy things. I look the access road that direct us to all these markets. But they affect the people and they affect me. So I thank the leaders. I thank the leaders believe say this small boy will be come out. You will be careful with problem of them. So I'm my son this thing is I trust my mama so well. So she will do this well.
The reason why we came out to support Eghe Ogbemudia, now because of what he do before, we wanted to consolidate on it. Now, good thing where he started. He has started, really show that he's a son of a great man, Eghe Ogbemudia. This year we are standing as the one that did it. So we wanted to continue the good things we are doing. That's why, by the special grace of God, we all come out in troop to vote for him. As I earlier said, wherever the father go or the husband go, the wife follow it. Now that we have decided to vote for Eghe, so also the councillor will follow. We are voting him too.
Is a man to rest, no matter say it's no more with us, the spirit is still here. Those days when you are doing election, what is it? They signed in Eghe Ogbemudia. Is that what they said? But after he died, there's no man that will not go. Within myself, between 12 to 2, I know this society. Who is going to represent this man? Who is going to wear his shoe? I was thinking God will send a man. God has said, men and women, we are one before God. I'm sending his daughter to represent him. Gentlemen, in just a minute, we have seen local government in this case. Yes or no? Yes. Or in this local government. Before the arrival of Eghe, you can testify. You know what Uwelu look like. After 6 to 7, you cannot stay in power like yes or no? Yes. But when he came, that spirit that was upon Ogbemudia came upon her and transformed the local government. If you go to a darkened market, I'm not going to say there again. No. So it's clear. Before Eghe Ogbemudia, from Wasota Church of Sota, nothing will reverse there. But when she came, he did some certain things. You can stand there and see what is happening in power line. Yes or no? Yes. One honorable came to this place the other day, came to meet me. Say, my last PR, this is the only one that has not left PDP since 1999. No, he said, they know they do big marriage when person want to go toilet. He said he want to go somewhere. So, all right. That time, I'm able chairman was doing something, was reconstructing this place. He never reconstructed and finished. I took him to Uwelu village market. When he go, he said, you miss, who did this toilet? He used to tell me, say, you don't build the toilet where they chief Tony and then the house. This is toilet that the woman gave to Uwelu market. We should clap for her. Hello? Before I give my chairman, this is the time. Whether you are man, woman, boy or not, we don't get to know. Say bye-bye to elder. It's not a good language. There are good elders, there are bad youths. Not be elder the king. There are bad youths, there are good youths. Whosoever that has done good, he become a good person. We mention Ogbemudia just now. There is no person who will say Ogbemudia's son. Ogbemudia's daughter will say you're because of what he has done. So also Ambrose Ali. Yes or no? Yes. Those who stole our money, can you compare them and say, Obiana here?
The representative of all tribes, they are all here. The line leaders, they are all here. Which they will go back there, hold meetings for the forward movement of our honorable Eghe. For many years now, we have been singing women empowerment. Women to take over the positions which men have failed. And our able musician Samuel Joseph said, "Man, a shot." And for years, I've been looking forward for women to take those positions which men have failed. And today, our honorable Eghe Ogbemudia is preparing that man who has failed us, and she's coming to deliver for us. If you check our poster, it is standing for youth and women empowerment. You know what that means? He said if you train one woman, you train the whole nation. Please, my dear brothers and sisters, the only bell that will ring during our time now is for us to come out early that day and vote our honorable back to that seat, so that they will go and give us that empowerment she has promised us. And I know deeply, that's deep in my heart, that she's not going to fail us. She's not going to fail us. She has promised me when I went to visit her that this our road will be thin on the path, that she's coming to repair, that she has other places she's going to. That means chairmanship is not our last bus stop. She is going somewhere. So definitely, as she's going somewhere, she will create a mark which all of us will look at. And I know definitely that she has come to deliver for us. In this market, both inside and Evbareke, we have almost sisters and members. Inside last 2 weeks, I held my meetings with all of them, all the leaders. They were all here in this hall. And we talk one-on-one. And we all agreed to support her.
Some other persons physical, because we show their own person. But if not the Panadol, it's not the Panadol. As time still be so, we still dim our feet, still get courage to carry our candidate worker for inside water. I never see any political party when we fit try at this very point in time. Because we know say the market will get this sellable, now make the feed on. If you know this sellable, you know go enter inside water, then they begin to say, I'm not the same, nobody tell us how much it is. Because if to say they do this local government elections is there, I believe say we will not market for something like this. Because we are not be cry to government house, it's not really easy. The only way you can cry to is that local government council. Since before now, no chairman, you cannot expect civil servant to start engaging on project. It is not possible.
I know they do talk too much. I believe in action. You understand? Now, know what thing I do for this Uwelu when I first do chairman. Abi? The road where person don't first pass before, they had to pass. No. Now speak, I can't tell you now. Make una not let anybody come here come deceive una. Say now so they go there, they go do magic. They go there, they don't go fit do any magic because they never go there before. Now people like us, now go fit tell una say we go there, we go do magic. Because we don't go there before, we know how to take do the magic. Have you not been so? This Uwelu spare pass. I try. Uwelu area. Have you not tried? And I don't promise una today. Say if una vote for my party, where I from come out, which is PDP, I win the election. I go come back again, come finish the thing where I never do. All the adjoining road where would they grade that time when I did council, we will continue. Now because they council not dey since, they make all these things be like this. Because he said, now we be council chairman, now they close to the grassroots. Before you go reach government house, you go local government house, say no market, you don't reach there. I be not be so. Now me, that be the messenger. Where una go send message, go give governor. You know go fit send simple servant message, go give governor. You don't understand? But now me, we be politician, now una go send message, go give governor. And politician, where they vote for and make it come work for the people. I be not be so. When I come up for council in 2021, I render my still worship. That still worship is in a book of the things when I do for a local government as council chairman. As I want come out, start again now, I don't get my manifesto of the things when I will do again. Now because I get vision. Now person where get vision, now they get manifesto. Now person where get vision, now they get still worship. Where say, see my people, see what thing I do. Everything they grant, you know they for paper. When I first day here, when I first come as council chairman, I don't do project where they paper. When I tell you say I do so and so, I will tell you the address of the place where the thing they make you go look for it. Now so it be. Because he say tiger not a born snake. Tiger won't born, he go born tiger. That make me be Eghe Ogbemudia. When you see me, you go to see my papa. Anything when I talk say I go do one. I know they fear. And when they come just now, people they say you want inside the market. I say yes, I go inside the market. I say because my people they inside the market there. The good make I go tell them. Say now me, now they come back. Because as I can't tell them by myself, say now me they come back. Don't be such a see person for photo. It good make I can't use my mouth. Tell you now. Say now me they come back to council by God's grace. If you now vote for me, now vote, now I go determine that one. And I know say if I win, I don't will let you now down. Anything we now want me we do for Uwelu, we go sit down together, we go discuss them. Not be one man business. And this Oyibo can make parable. He said, 2 heads are better than one. If we sit down, we talk together. And I ask me to say, see what you want to do, so what we do, we don't do one together. Life not go there easier. If you not tell me say now what you now want, I do one for now. Next time when I come, I go follow me quarrel. No. Not be because say I don't fair do one before. When una I see, not make una dance follow me inside this market. Yes. Anybody there when I go follow dance inside market like that? No. Eh? Now they show for play. Instead of my customary, we get water and I go inside. Happy? Yes. So I come back now. Say I don't do one before, and I will do one well fast as I do one before. Because this time around, because I don't get the experience. Waiting for take me 1 year, or come take me 3 months because I don't get the experience. You know, say when you dey learn work, you be apprentice. Waiting you go fit do, your oga go do and pass you. I be not be so. The guys on this way you go to do, you go to call your oga, say oga, I do one like this, I do one well. engine make e go ask apprentice no be apprentice go ask so you see am na road wey I don first go before and when I go back there things are going to be easier. Please, I am begging you so please support me and support the councillor because on that day my photo no go dey there abi councillor picture no go dey there my name no go dey there say na Eghe Ogbemudia. The only thing wey you go see na wetin I wear so na umbrella na only umbrella na you go see there so I come beg una make una vote for the symbol of umbrella from top to bottom 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 na hear am so na beg I dey beg una o because if una do for me I go do back for una. I be woman wey get sense I be woman wey get vision I be woman wey dey think na I make am people dey ask me since yesterday why I dey campaign inside rain I tell them say e good make I campaign for inside rain make I for see the bad road make I for see wetin really dey bad because once e don be dry season I no go see am again and wetin you do for dry season dey different from wetin you do for rainy season so this rainy season now we don dey map out the area wey we know say e really no good so that dry season period you know say we need to go work for that place so that when the next rainy season go dey come e no go affect the people again na make we dey waka inside rain you understand so no be say we still get 1 month to campaign even some people never even start campaign they ask me say why I don start campaign I say I start campaign I don begin dey do road show I don begin dey waka for street for Egor because I wan know how the road be because the most important thing wey Egor people really need security and growth. Say when there is growth accessibility everything wey una get go dey increase. I talk am just now if Uwelu spare parts road good who dey come buy spare parts no go think am but this time around if you wan come buy spare parts you go park your motor for that side because make e no come be say as e come out from Uwelu come and finish na stabilizer linkage e don practical and na wetin e come buy before na exhaust e come buy then you go come back tomorrow come buy stabilizer linkage the next tomorrow you go come back another thing that time wey you go say you just tire for that Uwelu sef that time you go dey look for alternative person wey dey for another area wey dey sell papers you go dey go another paper road for wood hear am now say dem go dey go and we go dey for Uredo and we dey for Egor so e good make e be say if I come do well for una when the time come when we person dey come dey say okay make I come still do una own una no go hesitate to do una own abi no be so so my people my brothers my sisters I dey beg una on that day our picture no go dey there our name no go dey there the only thing wey dey there na im be umbrella abeg I dey beg una.
We are all gathered here because of our dear Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia. She come see us. She come tell us, say, make we all rally around and make we vote for her. So we dey promise her today, say there will be no mistake, that we go vote for her, we go support her. If you see the whole crowd here, all of them don't stand say we must support her. Because for many years now men they lead us, but they disappoint us. But as she come out as a woman, we will give her a try. And I know she will deliver fine. And by God's grace, nothing will stop her not to win. Because now she will want. She don't come before, we know what she do for these local governments. So by God's grace, we want to test her again. Because we want to make she rule us now, make she go up higher to House of Assembly Senator, by God's grace. Like me now, I dey very happy. I dey like when youth, they come out like this to come give us light we will not see before. This is not the era of whereby people wey dey 50, 70 years, they wear agbadas, they want come councillor. No, the youth now can't get up, say no, we must take the bull by the horn. That young man, that Presley, now grassroots person, a person where we know for area before. And we know say he will always be there for us. No mistake. He will be there for us. And we believe on her, we trust on her. A very young person, he know the pain you pass through. And when he comes to me for office, he promised me say, he go there by these markets. He go stand by us and the entire Ward 5. Actually,
na very good man. I know him long ago. Not today I know him. And I know say with him, by us, we will go fit reach Eghe anytime.
Na rainy season we dey so. The reason why the campaign dey go during this rainy season na because I wan make my eye see as everything dey. I no wan go campaign. Some people say make we wait till August break. August break e go don dry. That time I no go know where I wan start to dey work when I enter council. Because by God's grace, if una vote for me, na vote for umbrella, and una vote umbrella and I win the election. You know say na road na be the first thing wey we go first start. So dey grade road because all the earth road na local government na suppose to dey do am. If we get some wey be state road sef, we fit even help to do some small palliative before government go come. Na so we dey do am. You know say when we dey campaign dey go now, somebody dey tell me, he say, why you like to dey campaign inside rain? As I talk before, I say if I no campaign inside rain, people dey talk about road no good, water dey stay somewhere. Now when I dey campaign dey go, so now I see say some pothole dey wey water plenty. When e be say we go fit come do palliative, put big stone for there, so we go match am. So at the end of the day, when the next rainy season dey come, you go let person dey pass. But if the road dry now, like I talk before, I no go see am well. E no be like wetin I use my eye see. E different from wetin person come tell me. Abi no be so? Some people say, you dey go Evbareke? Na be was 6. He say, na wow. He say, wetin you go take campaign for there? I say, my name is Eghe Ogbemudia. I get project for was 6, abi I no get? 5 years ago, 2018, when I come campaign for this ward 6, na people tell me, they say, one thing wey they look for this ward 6, na be primary school. Say ward 6 na the only ward for this local government wey not get primary school. Say their children dey from here they go Oluwa primary school, some dey cross road they go Idake primary school. Now among those children where they cross roads, at times motor go hit them for road. Now I say no. When we are saying that these children are the leaders of tomorrow, if they are not alive, how are they going to lead us tomorrow? Now make me come introduce that one wey they call lollipop. Wey come dey help our children dey cross road. When we introduce that lollipop, now since accident for this area, where children dey cross, from there, now I enter Evbareke, as they say, we need land. Now they say the only land where remain is there for Evbareke secondary school. Now I go take measurement. We measure and we do everything. One thing where you know, where you need to understand be say, if you not get money for council, but you get sense, you get how you go take bring project come your community. So when I look am, I say this community tell me say they want primary school. Now we go look for the primary school bring come. Now council fence and round. Then when we want open the primary school, now we come name am Evbareke the second. When we dey open that primary school, any children dey where their mother, any children dey here where they go Evbareke. Now they there. Your children they go there. Madam, when your children want start school there, you pay for uniform. Immediately we open that school. Now I tell them say another good thing when I go give this my community, where they don't take day for so many years, they not get primary school. every pikin wey wan start that school na free uniform. Abi no be so? Over 500 children in that school were given free school uniform. And that school uniform, where we dey produce am, no be for the same worses? Yes. Where we build our skill acquisition, yes. We go equip them with machines, yes. Where they produce the uniform. Abi no be so? So I can't tell them, say, who are going to fear to go worses? The only thing where they go ask me again, and I will say, madam, if you go back on grade road, that one no be wahala. That one na my responsibility. Na council na dey grade road. The reason why the road dem dey like this na because say council never dey since. Once council dey now, everything na fire. Abi no be so? Make I tell you now, once dry season come, we go start the grade road again. We go start the maintain road, start the clean everywhere to make it dey clean. So many things dey wey we wan introduce come back for this new administration wey we dey come to, wey go benefit our people, wey go benefit the youth. We go do a lot of empowerment, youth empowerment, training. We go arrange for soft loans for our farmers, our traders, make they trade small. As long as they give you the soft loan, you fit pay am back. That be the most important thing. Now when you pay the one wey they give you, now you go come get another one. Anything where they come go local government, through federal government or through state, I go stand gidigba to make sure say enter go local government. I wan beg our mama, I wan beg our papa, my brothers and my sisters. I beg, on the 2nd, na be election. On that day, on the 2nd of September, next month, na August we dey so. Today na 2nd of August. Now that day be your birthday. That day you go give me plenty vote. On that day you go mobilize 20 women come out. Where go vote for me. Then after that one we go come out carry from celebration enter your birthday. You hear am now? Which unit you dey vote? Which unit today? Unit 7. For where be that? Na that place. I wan make you handle that unit. You go hold am strong. You go make sure say that day you deliver PDP for that unit. Everybody, I dey beg una. Now go talk to una neighbors. Now go talk to una friends. Now go talk to una colleague. Now go talk to everybody, your tenants waiting for una house. Say the person where they bring come out for a local government council na Eghe Ogbemudia. She don't go there before. She know wetin to do. Because say the road the person don't fit pass before, you know they hard down to pass. I been I don't see where I practice, they show that work. People where they talk say that they go there, now they be apprentice. Now we don't work there. Now we know the in and out. We know the good and the bad, the ugly. So now we know how we will take handle things, how we will take change things for our people. Make I tell you now, Eghe Ogbemudia pikin. They born me into riches. But wetin my pastor make I can't do, he said I should come and help my people. I should come and serve the people. Now I dey here for. Because he said, good name is better than riches. Today, my papa day, he don't die. May his soul continue to rest in peace. Now my papa house for here there na 6 feet now they put on. All the things when he do, Palm House, Stadium, UBTH, he carry them follow body. He not living for him people. My dear brothers and sisters, more will remember one thing. He said if you dey do something, make you dey remember tomorrow. Mama, if you dey do something, remember tomorrow. Papa, if you dey do something, remember tomorrow. One thing where you go dey ask yourself from today, what will I be remembered for? What will I be remembered for? Whatever you sow, you will reap. When you don't reap it, the children will reap it. So it's always good to keep a good name, to keep a good legacy for your children. Today, I dey waka for Edo State, I not dey fear. I dey waka for Edo, I not dey fear. Because I know where I dey come from. Like saying I want papa wey not know anything, where they give power so you chop everybody money, do nonsense. Shame go let me come out. Fear not go let me come out. Last time I dey ask some people, I say why e be say everywhere when I go na my papa name dem dey call. Ogbemudia, Ogbemudia, Ogbemudia. One day I look myself now I say, because of this man name, everywhere when I go, so Ogbemudia, Ogbemudia. I will continue to do my best to bring the dividends of democracy to the people of the local government. I beg you now, if you dey go your unit that day, mobilize people, follow body wey go vote for us. As I talk before, from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, chairman, councillor, all the way PDP. Thank you very much and God bless you.
They say good name is better than riches, and most people wey dey here today, they feel the year of Eghe Ogbemudia. So when they hear say she dey come my word today, I surprised the way many people take come out just to come see this iron lady wey they hear about, and make they come hear wetin the kind plan wey she get for my people once we win come September 2nd this year for this council election wey we wan do so. So many people will come here now to come really listen to the plans wey she get for them. And by God's grace, come September 2nd, we go dey council. So I go represent my people well, and my only two ways, we go do things to make sure say we alleviate the people suffering for the local government.
Today might be our happiest day. For us to have this great woman to come to Wasi, we just happy well. Because 5 years ago when he first come, he tell us say he want to do something. Now we tell us say we want school. Really, the school will give us today will be the cry for the whole great world. Now only this world not get primary school. But today, if you see the school, that's standard. If you see the school, we never see like that school. It should be the best primary school in the local government. And for that reason and other things, when you want use tailor to sew cloth, all the tailor we did the area, now he pick and they sew that cloth. And today, we know say he get good name. When he comes so, he don't use the eye see waiting not good. And when we go ask and we cry to her, really, he go do more than what he first do for us. That's why today everybody come out. We want to make sure say we provoke her to that winning on that day, September 2nd. As he don't flag out, now she with the waste all this day. He don't tell us say really we are ready for battle. Which battle? The battle to tell the world that this woman, we have to vote for her. They will go to every crook and corner of this world. And we are going to do mosquito campaign, house to house, community, or deal with everything. We are going to make sure that this great world, we will make sure say we deliver for PDP.
Why are the follower? Now me be the party chairman, Eghe, the brigand. So now me they carry on the waka. Now me be a party chairman now. And they carry on waka because now the person when he get better mind to take work for people. He get that experience, that sense when he take work for people. Because Eghe, if Papa leave for them for a good legacy, now we tell him say make he still carry on from where Papa stop. It's a good way message. When I go give una be say, yes, when he don't reach there, not be the person go fetch money put for her pocket. He go do one for people. He go make the whole world from Ward 1 to Ward 10. He go put smile. As we don't go Ward 1, he talk, wetin sweet them. As we go Ward 2, he talk wetin sweet them. We go Ward 3, he talk wetin sweet them. We just come from Ward 5 now, come enter Ward 6. He know the pains when different wards, when they get. He go fit do one for them. He go address that pain when different ward get.
Today they very nice. You see the reception we will get for Ward 5. I was surprised because people they talk say they go Ward 5, that Uwelu spare pass, then go store them, they go do this. Now I tell them say, you know say work where you don't fair work before, and people believe say if you come back you go do them again. I know say if I go there they go give me good reception. And we did there just now. You see the kind of reception where they give me. because I get very big project when I do for that Ward 5, and more still there wey we wan still do. And when they see me for the market, you see how everybody they happy, the ward they happy. As we enter spare parts market, you see as everybody they happy. They don't even they by themselves, they campaign. So when you go some area and you see say the way people receive you, and there you go know say yes, everything don't do okay. You know say gone are those days where people when you dey campaign they go people go tell you say no worry we go do, and this time around if they not like you they go pursue you. They not go agree make you even sit down and talk. But if they like you, they go show them to you say they like you. So I thank God for today. As we come up for Ward 5, then we come Ward 6. This ward where we dey so Ward 6, now the ward where be say now let this ward not get primary school for Egor local government. For during my first tenure, I give them the primary school, name am Evbareke the second, and give them free uniform for over 600 children for the school. So today, you hear one woman talk say in Pikin they go to school. So I dey very happy. And I like the reception when I get for this place. And I know say by God's grace, this election, we go win now. He get one thing where my papa teach me. And when he tell me, he say, give them their need and not what you think they need. Anything where they can ask me, now I go give them. I feel constant make I give them something and I wait till they don't want. So now wait till they pay them for their hearts when they want. When they ask me, now I go give them. As we dey here now, you see say the councillor dey here. You know say if you dey work now, you need the legislators wey go dey implement policies for council. Now then we will take the work. So now in dey here for Ward 6 now, wey will come help me to work. So we'll be like mama and pikin. So that they see wetin I don't do before. They see the reception where I dey get for everywhere where I dey go. I dey show them something to know say good name is better than riches. Say as you dey go council so as councillor, the only thing where you dey go do there, you dey go serve your people. That be the message. And as they carry them around, they use their eye, they see them. So now in be this, all of us now go work together for council. And any way they know they do better, I go still call them like mama. I go advise them so that there will be peace in the local government.